guys! Right now we're here in Baler, Aurora! Finally! That's the beach. That's Joel. That's Paeng at the back. After 5 hours of traveling from Manila, dahil 1:30 kami umalis. Actually, tinulog lang namin siya. It's already 6:30 in the morning. So, we rented a place here in North Shore. 1 o'clock pa naman kasi yung booking namin. Pero sobrang aga namin. So, baka magpaiwan lang muna kami ng gamit. And then, we'll go around. Nag-trike kami from the bus terminal going here. It cost us 50 pesos per head. That's just around 10 to 15 minutes traveling. Malapit lang. Pero yung daan kasi hindi pa ganun ka ayos. But it's okay. So, sobrang excited ni Joel so, yung kaagad lang makakita ng dagat. Anong ginawa?
Tapos sa breakfast po, order na lang kayo ng breakfast para po bukas.
Sige po.
Tapos meron po tayong segregation,
Sa may basura po. Saan po magbabayad po?
siguro kay Bong na lang po. Hindi po sa naglilinis mo lang po.
Sige po, mamaya na lang po, no?
Kahit bukas na po kayo lang.
Sige po. Thank you po.
Sige po.
And this is our room. Walang ilaw?
Meron.
Akala ko may second floor eh.
Dito na sila. Check-in na yan.
It's already 11 o'clock in the morning and we just took a nap. And right now we're heading to the kitchen or the restaurant for brunch. Yay! Sabi yung
Magsusot ka?
chinelas section. Oh,
Mahan kita.
food. What's that? Daing.
And may fruit.
Nabangus. So, we having adoboink. Adobo for me. Pork naman. We're now going out. We're gonna do a city tour for today. So, saan ang punta?
Yung dun na lang muna tayo sa yung parang city tour.
Okay.
Tapos sa may Malate. Ermita Hill, Malate.
Okay. Sakit sa likod. Saan papunta yung bridge na yan, kuya?
Tarlac na yun.
Ha?
Dito rin lang
So parang kabilaan lang siya. Okay. New York. San Francisco, ganyan. So guys, nandito na tayo sa may hanging bridge ng Baler. So starting from here. So gonna start from here. Sandals, kitchen. Shorts, shirts. This looks good. Okay guys, so punta tayo sa kabila ng bridge. So we're already here at the other side of the bridge. Diba? Ang background music. So guys, we're now heading at Ermita Hill. Okay guys, so we're now here at Ermita Hill. So actually ito na yung point na makikita mo actually yung overlooking ng buong Baler. Tapos here on the side, kita mo naman yung buong Sabang area. So the story behind this Ermita Hill, way back 1700, nagkaroon ng tsunami dito sa Baler, and there were only 6 families na naligtas sa tsunami na nagpunta dito sa may Ermita Hill. Actually thousands of people yung na-disgrasya because of that tsunami. So actually going up here, pwede siyang i-trek, pero pwede rin siyang, actually yung tricycle namin nakaakyat, so okay lang. And I saw na there are also some vans there, so pwedeng mag-akyat ng vehicle, and you just need to pay 15 pesos for the fee or entrance fee. So this is the overlooking of Sabang. Pala yung ito yung parang monument ng family na nakaligtas doon sa tsunami.
Ito guys. Ay, akala ko kinaalok mo.
Diabetic daw siya.
Busin ko lang yung buko. Okay, next stop for today, we're here now at Diguisit Falls. So, actually hindi na kami nag-hike kasi pwede pala siyang i-trike na, so diretso na dito. So actually ito na yun eh. Akit ako. Guys, we're here now at Diguisit Falls. Ayan. Basa yung sapatos ko. Iwasan ko nga hindi mabasa eh. Pero yung mga bato kasi dito masyadong madudulas. So hindi mo talaga naiiwasan na mabasa. So syempre wear proper outfit. At saka balance, importante. If you're holding a camera, baba mo muna kasi delikado. So maybe we could go up and I'll just set up my camera in here. Pwede na maglublob. So last location for today is Diguisit Beach. So we just paid 20 pesos for the entrance fee. And then this is our view. This is better kasi white sand siya. Pero medyo mabato. But still, merong pool. Kasi may pool eh. There's a tent area over there that you can use. Now, what we can do is swim probably.